This is actually my first cold plunge.
We're very excited. So you're facing big breath, so it's just...
Alright, I just got over to my friend's house. Hello. Woo! What are we doing today?
Today, we are going to jump into the cold plunge.
This is actually my first cold plunge.
We're very excited.
All right.
We're going to jump in the ice bath.
How cold is this?
It's like 55 degrees right now. And then we're going to jump over to this territory and get into the infrared sauna.
Awesome.
And so presently this guy's at like 130 or so. And then we're going to record your first podcast. So cold plunge. First thing that we're going to do is we are going to do a little breath work.
Let's do this! I'm excited. Fuck it.
Carpe diem. That means whale's vagina in Italian. Put your face up. Good. So we're going to be in here for typically about 3.5 minutes or so. And while he's in there, we can discuss why this is a thing. Being in cold temperatures like this, there's an interesting study that was done with rat pups. And what they found was that when they would dunk the little pups into cold water as they were growing up, they would actually respond much better to stress. So when you put them in a stressful situation as an adult, they would have less of a spike in cortisol and various stress hormones. So it literally teaches the organism how to adapt more effectively to stress. It's also helpful with metabolic function. How are you feeling?
I'm doing great.
This is fun, man. I should be a camera person.
Yeah, this is fun.
I like it. So before, something you can do is, like I mentioned, doing these big breaths. So it's just... What that's doing is it's starting to kind of like reset your autonomic nervous system. And when you get into the pool, it's not quite as much of a shock to your system.
We are now in ceremony.
Yeah. This is good. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, let them listen to it. It's nice. Yeah. Doing all the vibes here. All right, what's this podcast called?
Untitled.
Untitled? That's legit!
Untitled or Flow?